going on, guys? So I finally got my Dane Nelson bug shield to put on. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what it looks like, and then install it. Take a look and see what color it is. I ordered the light blue. There we have it, light blue. Get the back side off. We can see through it. Go. All right, so inside the box, here's all the hardware that it comes with. So we got our L brackets hardware going from the brackets to the bug shield, the brackets to the hood. So I should be able to pull these ones off. Pretty straightforward. Put the other ones on. Pretty simple. It's gonna be a two-man job. When you take the bolt off from this side, it's gonna be spinning on the inside. So you're gonna have to have somebody help you with a long extension and there to hold the other end of it. All right, go ahead. Does it feel like it's going good?
Yeah.
All right.
That's just not right there. That was the bracket.
Okay. First step's complete. We got the L brackets on. Two-man job, like I said. All right, next step. We can always adjust it later on. We'll just get it on. The bullet go on the front, does it say? Yep. Okay.
set.
So I guess we adjust it next.
Yep.
And final step, peel off the protective covering. Stand back and have a beer. Oh man. I like it. See what it looks like from the driver's view. Oh yeah. Finished product, all cleaned, ready for the work week next week. Ain't the best wash job, but it's honest. Got all the paint, that's what counts. Gotta take care of that factory paint. All the metal, I just wiped it down with the dirty bucket water. Needs a polish anyways. There we go, what you guys think? But that's it for the day, guys. So I hope you appreciate this video. Nothing too special. Put that bug shield on and gave it a wash. So like all my other videos, guys, if anybody here is interested in working for Oakley, email me your phone number at cruzmadranotrucking@gmail.com. So that way I can turn in your phone number and get credit for a possible future incentive if you ever do come over. But I'll give you all the steps I took, all my honest advice for you to come on over and work at Oakley and eventually move into one of these. So anyways, hope you all appreciate it. I'll check you on the next one. All right, go ahead. Should pull right back out. There you go. All right. Upon inspection, we found another issue. Where is it at? Look at that. Can't win over here. So this thing got turned somehow and got into the paint. So that's two spots. I got that one right there and that one right there. Not doing it now. Is it off of it?
Yeah.
Man, look at that. That's a big old gouge. Man, what the heck, man? That side. Man, that looks awful. Should I try to straighten those tips? Think that's better?
Sure.
All right, got it back on. Now it looks more similar to the other side, but now you can see that little scratch from before when this walked on me. The one up there, it's covered by the shield, but that's it, got it back on. I'm glad I spotted that because that was only gonna get worse. Was gonna adjust the stacks, but I'm not messing with it no more. Let's see. Yeah, you can tell on film that driver's side is sticking out sideways more, but I'm not messing with it. I'm tired of messing with it.